Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy event of the week. Each week our staff of educators tries to introduce you to a person of interest in the financial world. This could be a person in government or banking, or an important investor or trader, or just someone making the financial headlines in recent days. In our continuing effort to prepare for the US primary election, we are focusing on all the possible candidates and their parties. At this moment, Vice President Joe Biden still remains undeclared, but now the rumours are not if, but when he will announce his campaign for president. The Fox News poll released Wednesday shows that Hillary's support among Democratic voters has fallen 17 points since June to 44%. Support for Bernie Sanders has surged 15 points to 30% over the same period. Joe Biden isn't even running, but he's polling at 18%. Hillary leads Donald Trump in a head-to-head matchup by just 4 points, which is pretty embarrassing. As Biden presidential buzz continues to grow, the effort to lay the groundwork for a potential presidential bid for Vice President Joe Biden is looking past Iowa and New Hampshire, staffing up in the 11 states that will hold their primary elections on Super Tuesday, a senior advisor to the group confirmed Friday. Biden has indicated a desire to run, but hesitation over whether he is emotionally equipped for it after the death of his son Beau. If he were to enter the race, he'd have to contend with Hillary Clinton's head start on infrastructure and Bernie Sanders' advantage on grassroots momentum. Joseph Biden became Vice President of the United States in 2009 after having been a U.S. Senator from Delaware since 1973. Joe Biden was born in Pennsylvania and moved with his family to Delaware at the age of 10. He earned his undergraduate degree from the University of Delaware in 1965, then a law degree from the Syracuse University in 1968. A political prodigy, he was only 29 when elected to the Senate in 1972. As a member of the Senate Foreign Relations Committee beginning in 1975, Biden carved out a reputation as a brainy and talkative expert in international relations. He ran for president in the elections of 1988 and 2008, losing in the primaries both times. Barack Obama won the Democratic nomination in 2008 and then chose Biden as his running mate. They defeated Republican nominees John McCain and Sarah Palin in the general election. Biden also was re-elected to the Senate that year. Delaware law allowed him to run for both offices, but he gave up that seat to become vice president. Biden and Obama took office on the 20th of January 2009. They were re-elected for new 4-year terms on November 6, 2012, defeating the Republican ticket of Mitt Romney and Paul Ryan.